Okay, here we are. This is us on the machine on the star line. You can see in here with our torch, you can see the water. Looks like it's either on one of the jets that's been adjusted, it's leaking out through the edge of the door. So if we go across, looks like there could be a rubber seal or something missing. Got the same issue that comes over here. It seems to be splashing. Seems to be splashing down the side and out the front, and this is why they're getting water running out the front of the machine.